There are two four-letter words that strike fear in any mining, contracting, engineering or construction company. Downtime. That's why Plantman, a privately owned Australian company, delivers the right equipment to your specifications, on time, to any site. We specialise in build service trucks, crane trucks, water trucks, washdown trucks and fuel tankers. Plantman also has extensive expertise in earth-moving and mining equipment. Our aim is to maximise your profits and minimise your risks. We sell, rent, repair and supply parts for them. It's something we've been doing for the best part of 2 decades. All Plantman equipment meets the stringent Australian mining standards and regulations. Take out service vehicles, for example. Designed and custom built by Plantman, the P14000 and the P5000 have become the backbone and the benchmark for the industry. They are suitable for deep pit mining and a wide range of civil construction sites. The Plantman service truck range is as extensive as the mining and construction industry itself. Our crane trucks also have an unrivaled reputation for reliability and performance. The 6 models range from the CT 1500 to the CT 150. Customised crane trucks are also built to suit client specifications such as these for rail construction. Plantman also build diesel tankers that range from 18,000 litres down to 2,500 litres. Some say our water trucks are even more impressive. With a choice of 6 units, they comprise the massive 18,000 litre model right through to the 1,500 litre trailer version. Each is extremely robust. Each meets the high quality assurance and ASA engineering standards. The Plantman range of service, crane, water and diesel trucks are powered by the best power plants in the business: MAN, Mack, Scania, Isuzu and Caterpillar. Besides trucks, Plantman specialise in the sales, service and rental of mining equipment: dozers, excavators, graders, articulated dump trucks, stemming loaders, wheel loaders, tyre handlers, even rollers. They include Caterpillar and Komatsu. We work with these companies in particular because, like us, they have a deep industry insight and use cutting-edge technology designed for high productivity, efficiency, cost-effectiveness and environmental responsibility. Our range includes track dozers, excavators with rock breakers, buckets and computer-aided power control systems, equipment monitoring, self-lubricating undercarriage bushings and heavy-duty chassis structures. Caterpillar graders meet the demanding specifications of Australian mining. We have a long association with the supply and rental of Caterpillar track dozers. They include the latest D10T models, designed to meet the heavy demands of the mining industry with its SU blade and single ripper. Plantman supplied wheel loaders deliver safety, durability, reliability and serviceability with a focus on daily checks, extended service intervals and reduced operating costs. Their design allows for second life rebuilds and a high hour component life. In purchasing from Caterpillar, Komatsu, MAN, Mack, Scania and Isuzu, Plantman is supported by their proven dealer networks. We have 4 divisions: sales, rental, service and parts, with one common aim: to deliver the right equipment on time to any site. Our clients include some of the world's largest miners and contractors and some of the smallest. Rental clients gain flexibility, reliability and fixed monthly costs to allow a better utilisation of their own capital, plus the option to purchase at a later time. Plantman also sell used equipment. Our Perth-based, fully equipped facility provides an in-house capacity without equal. This ensures a quicker and better service to clients. Highly experienced staff stand behind every machine sold or rented. Plantman understands that client downtime is unacceptable and costly. That's why our commitment to maintenance is 24/7. It's also why Plantman offers comprehensive equipment maintenance contracts. Plantman's operator and induction training, plus our refresher courses, ensure that the equipment is operated within strict safety protocols and that it is serviced and maintained correctly. If site equipment cannot be sent to our Perth workshop, Plantman will send qualified personnel to your site to implement the diagnostic work and undertake the appropriate repairs. Fully integrated with our sophisticated IT system, an in-vehicle monitoring program employing satellite technology allows each piece of equipment to be tracked and monitored on a real-time basis. Maintenance monitoring aside, this program allows Plantman to provide feedback to clients on how to optimise productivity, improve operational efficiencies and reduce operating costs. With almost 20 years of reliable service, Plantman has the established experience, expertise, engineering capacity, financial stability and technical competence to meet the contemporary needs of the mining, earth moving and construction industries.